Hello and welcome. In this instructional video, we will be solving the equation 4x minus 7 times the quantity 2 minus x equals 3x plus 2. This problem involves both distributing and combining like terms, so make sure to follow along closely. Let's get started. Step 1 in solving the equation 4x minus 7 open parenthesis 2 minus x close parenthesis equals 3x plus 2 is to distribute the negative 7 through the terms inside the parenthesis. This means we will multiply negative 7 by each term inside the parenthesis. So, 4x remains as it is. Negative 7 times 2 is negative 14. And negative 7 times negative x is positive 7x. The right-hand side of the equation, 3x plus 2, remains unchanged. After distributing, the equation becomes 4x minus 14 plus 7x equals 3x plus 2. By distributing the negative 7, we have eliminated the parenthesis and simplified the equation for further solving. In step 2, we combine like terms on the left-hand side of the equation. The current equation is 4x minus 14 plus 7x equals 3x plus 2. First, identify the like terms involving x on the left-hand side, 4x and 7x. Adding these together yields 11x. This changes the equation to 11x minus 14 equals 3x plus 2. By combining like terms, we have further simplified the equation and brought it a step closer to finding the value of x. This concludes step 2. Step 3 involves isolating the variable x on one side of the equation. We start with the simplified equation from step 2. 11x minus 14 equals 3x plus 2. First, we need to get all the x terms on one side. To do this, subtract 3x from both sides of the equation. So, 11x minus 3x minus 14 equals 3x minus 3x plus 2. This simplifies to 8x minus 14 equals 2. Next, we need to isolate the term with x by moving the constant term on the left side to the right side. To achieve this, add 14 to both sides of the equation. So, 8x minus 14 plus 14 equals 2 plus 14. This simplifies to 8x equals 16. Now, we solve for x by dividing both sides of the equation by 8. So, 8x divided by 8 equals 16 divided by 8. This simplifies to x equals 2. Thus, we have found the value of x. This concludes step 3 and is the final step in solving the equation. The solution to the equation 4x minus 7 open parenthesis 2 minus x close parenthesis equals 3x plus 2 is x equals 2. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.